In this video, we're going to take a look at bar charts. So we have previously seen charts in our water bill video. So in this video, we're going to talk a bit more about the bar chart. Alright, so first I have a list of fruits and sales in January and sales in February here. And so first I'm going to make a bar chart for fruits of January sales. There you go, I have selected that. Now let's go to insert, and then we have our bar charts here. Sorry about that, column charts. We're going to take a look at column charts today. Now we have the 2D column chart. Now let's click on that, and our chart is here. As you can see, the chart title has been turned into January sales, and here we have mango, apple, durian, strawberry, blueberry, pear, and these are the axis that shows the amount of sales. Now what we can do is we can also add the February sales in this chart. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to select the February sales range, and we're going to press on Control C, meaning we're just copying it. Now selecting the chart, I'm going to paste it there using the Control V. There we go. Now we can see a comparison of January sales and February sales in this chart. But as you can see, we cannot tell if the blue color is the January sales or the red color is the January sales, and vice versa for February. So what we can do is we can add our titles, we can add legend and more things. So we'll just go to the plus button here. Then we can give access titles there. We can give chart title, we can give data labels, then we can also give data tables, and you can also add error bars. There are grid lines there already. If I uncheck the grid lines will be gone. And then we have legends here. So there you go. The blue colored bar is showing January sales and the red colored bar is showing February sales. Now if I click on this side arrow, I can put the legends on right, I can put the legends on top, I can put the legends on left, I can even put the legends on bottom. So I'll just keep the legends on bottom. Now let's give it a chart title. Now for chart title, we have options like above chart, centered over, and then more options. Let's just give it to above chart. Okay, now let's give the chart title, let's call it Jan versus, sorry about that, Jan versus Feb. Hit enter, and we have our name here. Now I can add a data table in the bottom. I can even add data labels there. Okay, now let's just remove this table and let's insert the table again. There we go, and there we go. Now we have inserted the table here. Now if I wanted to add the February sales again, this time we're not going to do the copy and paste. What we're going to do instead is I'm going to do a right click on my chart, and then I'll go to select data. There we go. From here, let's give it add, click on add. Now you have to give a series name, so let's just choose the series name cell, and then the series values, just delete whatever there is and select the range of the series values, and then click on OK. Alright, and as you can see, the values for February sales has also been added in the chart. Then you can click on OK and get out, but I don't want it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the January sales. I've selected the January sales, and then if I click on remove, the January sales are gone and the only February sales remain. Okay, so there we go. Let me delete this one as well. Now if I wanted to add it from the beginning, the January sales and the February sales all together, I'll just select the entire range and then go to insert, and then I'm just going to add our chart. Now as you can see, we already have a legend in the beginning. We just need to add the chart title here. There we go. Now if you wanted to filter, there are filter options as well. You can filter categories for certain products. For me now it's certain fruits, and then you just need to apply it there. So that's a bit on the chart. Now what we can also see is the style. So if you click on this paintbrush here, paintbrush icon. Styles will open up. You can choose from various different styles here. There we go. Now again, what you can do is we can select our chart. When we select our chart, you'll see two new tabs come here up here. One is design and the other is format. So you can change the format from the format tab, you can change the design from the design tab, and here are the styles that we have seen right now using this quick access. You can also do it from this design tab, and then you can also change colors. There's a lot of range of colors there. Okay, then you can even change the layout. Here's the quick layout. There you go. There are a lot of layouts there, as you can see. So this is what you can do with it. Now another thing is, as you can see, the product names are diagonally placed because there isn't enough space to put them in horizontal order. Now we can fix that too. We can fix that by changing the chart type. Instead of the column charts, now I'm going to the bar chart. There you go. I give the 2D bar, and now you can see that this type of chart is showing the names a bit more beautifully. But as you can see, the order has gone from the last to first instead of first to last. So we can change that. To change it, we'll just click here, click on the chart. Now go to format chart area. There you go. Format chart area will come here. Then you go to chart option. From chart options, let's go to our let's say horizontal value axis. Now we have tables. Now we're not going there. Let's go to area categories. Up there. These. There we go. We have legends here. Horizontal value axis. Let's go to not that one either. Vertical category axis. There we go. Shadow, soft edges. Just go there, labels, and we have number, track marks, access options. There we go. In access options, we just need to check on the categories in reverse order. There you go. Now the categories are from mango to orange, just as the original one. Okay, so you can change it like that as well. There we go. And then there's another thing, that is, if I delete the chart now and reselect the range, go to insert, you will also see recommended charts here. Click on that and you will have a few recommendations for your chart. So you don't need to find out the best one from a lot of options. Instead, you can choose it from fewer options that would be best suited for your chart. Okay, now another thing we're going to see is, let's go back to the column chart again. We're taking a look at the stacked option. This is called the stacked column. If I click on it, now you can see that the January cells are first, and then we can see the February cells. So if you have the 12 month cells in order and you want to see which month did how many mango cells and how many mango cells were done in a total 12 months, meaning in a total year, then you can use this stacked bar to see. For example, here in January I can see that almost 50, and then in February from 50 to 100 and something. Well, let's just take it as 100. So from 50 to 100, meaning February also sold 50, in January also sold 50, and in this 2 months we sold a little bit over 100 pieces of mangoes. So that is how you can use stacked bars as well. So that was it for the charts, column charts and bar charts. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.